Welcome back to Teachingconnect's YouTube channel. In this video number 5 of 7, we focus on the types of personalities you may have to engage with in the workplace, and in the second half of the video, we provide you with some guidance on how to build positive relationships within your workspace. So let's dive straight into it. Do note that this is not an exhaustive list of personality types, but you will at least recognize the following or some of these, if not all of them. The first is the workaholic. The workaholic, whether at 7 a.m. or 10 p.m., considers the office as his or her permanent residence. These types of people are found glued to their seats and attend to all their messages or emails within 30 minutes. You often find yourself regarding them with a mixture of respect and pity, wondering if they have any personal life outside of the office. Another personality type is the latecomer. This type of colleague never shows up on time, which delays the schedule for the entire team. These people show signs of irresponsibility and always look for excuses to take off early, expecting the team behind them to pick up the slack. One that is most familiar is the gossip monger and/or intruder. No secret is hidden from the gossip mongers, and they know everything about office politics. Found snooping around every now and then, these people love to talk behind their colleagues' back. Without them, life in the office just wouldn't be complete. The intruder loves to interfere in your matters, even if it doesn't concern them on a personal or professional level. Always keen to know the news around the office by hook or by crook, such type of people do not rest until they have all the information they need at their fingertips. A fourth type is known as the moaner. This type of colleague will just whine and moan about everything. With a grumpy face and a perpetual frown on the forehead, moaners behave as if the world owes them something. If you don't want to be around such negativity, it's best to steer clear of such individuals. Another type of personality in the workplace is the agony aunt or the complainer. If you hate unsolicited advice, then you surely must have encountered agony aunts at your workplace who will give you free advice on anything and everything. On the other hand, the complainer would only be an asset would the company be making profit out of complaining. Experience teaches it is really positive to be around someone who grumbles all the time. This kind of behavior can be the result of frustration, boredom, stress, or being unhappy at work. Another very familiar type of personality in the workspace is that of the veteran. No, the veteran doesn't have a statue of him or herself in the cafeteria. However, this colleague has been part of the organization for a long time, and undoubtedly your colleagues and him or her will be there to remind you of this fact ever so often. Another type of personality in the workplace is that of the mentor. The mentor would love to teach you more than only the technical side of the job. He or she loves sharing knowledge and will provide you with a broader perspective on the way of working in the school or in education. Don't be afraid to let the mentor help you progress in your career, as this colleague only wants the best for you. I hope you've recognized some of these personality types in your workspace or at your school. But it's one thing to recognize them and quite something else to build sound relationships at work. Let's again look at a few pointers to build healthy relationships at school or in your workplace. The first pointer is that you be polite and professional. Being polite and professional means showing respect and care for other people's feelings. This means using considerate language, maintaining appropriate physical distance when interacting in person, and acknowledging people's strengths and abilities. A second point is that of practicing active listening. Active listening is the process of maintaining full concentration and engaging when someone is speaking to you. Examples of active listening at work include making eye contact, using brief verbal affirmations, and paraphrasing or asking probing questions to show understanding and engagement. Show appreciation for the people around you. Showing appreciation means expressing your gratitude for the things that people add to your workplace or to the team. You can do this by praising someone for accomplishing a goal or simply saying thank you for something well executed or done for you. Another indicator is to be positive and supportive. One way to be positive and supportive at work would be to check in with or hold yourself accountable. When you are tasked with an assignment or you agree to a commitment, It is important to follow through and complete that work to the best of your ability. Holding yourself accountable in these situations is the first step in being seen as a reliable co-worker, leader, or employee at the school. Another indicator is that you be trustworthy. Few things damage a teacher's relationship with their colleagues more than spilling secrets, gossiping, or talking smack about administrators. So don't do it. When someone tells you something in confidence, keep it to yourself. Another indicator is to respect boundaries. If you see a teacher on the phone in a conversation with another colleague or enjoying a solo lunch, just keep moving. Don't bother them. If you borrow something, return it on time or timeously. Respecting your teacher's professional boundaries or your colleagues' professional boundaries is critical to building bridges and keeps the workplace civil. This brings us to the end of this video. We will see you soon. Goodbye.